There is a ton of snow. It is up to the door.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my bleeding soul.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's vlog. And it is quite the day outside right now. It's already 10 a.m. We already got 4 inches on the ground, and it's just going to continue to come down until 6 o'clock. We have a blizzard warning in effect until 6 p.m. as well. So, Maddie, you're still feeling sickly, so you won't be able to get to go out in it today. Sorry. This guy's getting sickly too. So is this woman right here. But yeah, I don't know if you can see out here. Let's see if we can get a good shot. Yeah, there's a lot of snow coming down. Whiteout conditions. Probably no bowling tonight. Still no word on it, but I'm really guessing that there's not going to be any snow. Keeping an eye on the weather right now. The updated snow totals went from like 8 to 12 last night to 10 to 16 today. Yeah, I'm gonna head out there in a little bit, shovel what's down out there now, go out there in a few more hours, shovel. It's coming down at a rate of like 1 to 3 inches per hour. So it's gonna be crazy. So I'll take the camera out there, try and get some good shots. We'll see what happens. Oh my, look at how much snow is out here, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's well over a foot now. Holy cannoli. And it's cold out there.
I'm gonna have 2.
Okay. Priscilla's gonna make some pretzels.
Look at this though. They're like individually buttered packets to butter. Individual salt packages. You gotta pull the door.
I got it.
Look.
I know, they come in little
That's so cool.
butter packets.
Individual ones.
Yeah, you heat up the butter, and you heat up the
Pretzel.
and you put it in the microwave and shish kabang. But yeah, bowling is actually canceled right now, so I don't have to go out in it. They haven't even plowed the road yet anyway. It's been going on for 8 hours now.
They only have 1 cashier at my job.
Really? Everyone called out?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I highly doubt
And then the
anyone's going to your
managers.
job. All the managers called out?
No, I'm saying like there's only like 1 manager.
Oh.
A few people, she said there's some stragglers there.
There's going to be those people looking for an adventure, getting out of the house. But yeah, I mean, my tires are really low now, so I don't want to chance it out there either.
Look at Chase's bike.
But yeah, guys, our car was having trouble starting the other night, so
Oh my god, you can't even see. Look at the cozy coop.
we got to change our catalytic converter, which sucks because that's an expensive fix.
Did you show them the cozy coop?
I showed them everything out there.
Look, you can't
It's
even see
it's
it.
crazy out there.
It's too bright.
I know.
That's so crazy.
It's crazy.
Is it still really windy? Oh, it's
so cold.
It's so cold.
Check this out. Check this out too. I made this picture using my green screen, and yeah. See, the funny thing is, the background was taken by Gene, and the 3 brothers were taken in one picture. They were taken in a separate picture, Priscilla and Marie. And I split them and put them side by side to make them look like they were part of the same picture. Bam. The snow is still continuing to fall. It's like 3 o'clock now. The blizzard warning is still in effect until 6 o'clock tonight. And I'm just gonna go ahead, open this bad boy up, and kind of give you a little glimpse of what's happening. There is a ton of snow. It is up to the door. Look at this. The door is open. I'm sticking my hand out the door, and it's just up to the door. You see the bike's almost gone. It's halfway up the cozy coop right there. You can see on the grill, even the freaking that thing. It's crazy. I love the snow. It's amazing. Close this up. Lock it up. Lock it down tight. Make some nice warm pizza rolls. And on a much warmer thought, pitchers and catchers for the Mets report in just 3 days. 3 days.
How many days?
3 days, Johnny, for the Mets baseball.
Yeah.
3. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3. Woo!
Mm.
So we got the rest of outside shoveled before it got too dark. The snow had stopped by then. Poor little buddy's getting a bigger fever. This one has no more fever now. This one has the fever. And he's starting to cough.
Okay.
So yeah, one kid gets better, the other one gets sick. I guess that's the joyness of having more than one kid. But unfortunately, that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, check this out, guys. It's actually Manjo Bado. There's ice on the inside of our window. It sucks. You can see all the ice out there. That's on the outside. But on the inside, on this metal trim, we have a lot of ice there. Anyway, guys, that'll do it for this vlog. If you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe down below. And we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
I love you. I give you everything you want me to. Think about it if I could. I put down the